Hello, welcome to the last part of Module 3 of Freelancepreneur Millionaire Blueprint. In the previous part, we were able to talk on video creation and graphic design and the AI tools to execute all this service. So in this part, we're going to be talking on the remaining 6 profitable gigs or profitable service you can start today, and the AI tools you can use as your secret weapon. Let's get started immediately. Now, number 4 is translation service business. As many businesses globally expand, they need to translate their content, their document, their website, and their content into another language. For example, Francophone country want to expand their business to Anglophone country. I mean, the French-speaking countries want to expand their product to English-speaking countries. So they need to translate all their documents to English. So this is where the translation service comes in. The same thing, English, Arab, or Swahili, different language. They want to translate document, website, and content into different language. And this is where the translator work. Now, when you are offering translation, you can offering service like document translation. So you convert the written material from one language to another, or a report, or an article, or a manual. So you convert it from one language to another. And one of the greatest thing is that when you are translating from one language, you must maintain the original tone and context. So that's why AI tools is the perfect solution for all this. Website localization, website content from one language to another. This is one of the areas where you can make a lot of money in translation service. There's subtitling service. You can subtitle maybe English to French, to German, so you can subtitle from one language to another. So offering this service now, they will have to pay you and you do the subtitle. And there are so many AI tools you can do. The transcription and translation, like translating audio to video, video to audio, and transcription and vice versa. You can do that. Technical translation. Technical translation is when you are translating user manuals, product specification, scientific page. All these are technical translation, which are some of the area you can offer as translator or freelancer. Then medical translation. This is one of the greatest area. So many medical records, the clinical study, pharmaceutical information, they need you to translate from one language to another. Research, medical research, from one language to another. So this is where the translator work. And this market is one of the largest market in the freelance world, translating market. Legal translation, literal translation, business and financial translation. All these are the translation service you can render as a translator. Then let's explore the AI tools you can use for translation and localization. Number 1, you can use the Google Translation and integrate more advanced feature in this, more AI advanced feature in the translation, so that your translation can be in the same context as the original document or original script or original information they want you to translate. Then even this Google Translate, the Gemini 2 work for the translation, which is from Google too. Apart from this, ChatGPT is one of the greatest tools. I've told you this is one of our greatest secret weapons. ChatGPT can easily translate any document from one language to another. Think of any language you want to translate to. You want to translate to Swahili, you want to translate to Igbo, you want to translate to Yoruba, you want to translate to Spanish. Think of any language you want to translate to. ChatGPT is one of the greatest tools you can use. Then Deeply AI, you can use Mira AI, you can use Bing Translator. Bing Translator have integrated powerful AI into the translating service. SmartCat, QuickBooks Translate, this 100% AI. Then Mira Translate, this tool is well AI integrated, and localize.com/AI. This localize, you can use it to translate more faster, more easier, more effective, and more accurate. Then where are the websites where you can offer this service? 5kjobs.ng, which is our top website. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, freelancer.com, Google.com, Topper.com. Let's talk on those that done this translation service and successful there. Can you see when you search for translation, this is the search from one of freelancing site, and we see 51,157. That means a lot of people are offering this service. That means the market is selling market. All what you need to do is to learn other skills on this course, and you know how to market your own or translation services, which are discussed in other modules in this course. Now, these are other reference. As I said earlier, this man has complete over 9,000 jobs. That's why it's having over 3,000 reviews. And at the standard rate of $75, when we multiply 9,000 by 75, you see how many work this man has done so far, how many millions this man has made so far. And this translation can use $75, 1,500 words. I'm telling you, this is one of the huge. Can you see this man currently has 6,300 this man has completed. Can you see? This is the actual order the man has completed. Has completed 6,300 orders, which is a main order completed at this 75 average of $75. This is huge market. And apart from that, this is another case study, which is I will translate grammar to I will translate English to Spanish with perfect grammar. Can you see? 910. That's an average of 1:3. That's an average or almost 3,000 service offer at the rate of $50. Flat rate, 500 word capacity. Now, apart from this translation service, there are still other services we're going to explore, which is voiceover service. This voiceover service is another area where you can tap in. Even this market is huge, but is still one of virgin market. You can come in as a freelancer and you make enough, because a lot of business need to expand globally, and what they need freelancer that will translate the voice content. This one is different from the text. Now this is the voice. Translate content, document, and website into languages, adding voice. Like, for example, now let's talk about professional commercial voiceover, like lending voice for TV, radio, or online advertisement, audio book narration. This is one of the greatest market that is selling now. If you can learn and use the AI tools to narrate audio, many people want to narrate audio book in their localized voiceover, in so many localized voiceover. So this is one of the greatest markets you can tap in. Then number 3 is animation and cartoon voiceover. This one is for the character in the film, TV show, or web series. They want you to add your own voice to the character that is showing. Then apart from this, we have e-learning modules. So they need you to, like this educational content now, they will give you the content and they need to add your voice the same way I'm adding my voice to this content now for training, video, or tutorials. Then IVR, full system recording. This is one of the greatest area where you record your voice. They use your voice as the voice response for or the full IVR or full system recording. Now, podcast, intro and outro. So this is another greatest opportunity. Now, let's explore the AI tools that you can use for voiceover services. Number 1 AI tool is Revoicer. Revoicer is one of the greatest tools that you can use. Number 2, Audacity. Number 3, this Well Said Lab. This Well Said Lab, I've tested it before, and I'm telling you, it's one of the greatest tools you can use for voiceover. Lovo.ai, Speechify, then Mufi. These are the AI tools that you can use for voice. Another AI tool is Synthesis. This AI tool, when you go to their website, synthesis.io, you will see that it's one of the most powerful AI tools that you can use. Then Litna, then Play.at, SpeechMaker, then Sonatic, and Sonatic. So all these 12 AI tools, you can use it to do your voiceover survey. Just get the job, use any of the tools. I told you, by the time you started using the tool at the first stage, it will be like magic. But gradually, you start mastering the tool and you'll be giving the best of the services. Now, let's move to another service you can render as a freelancer. Now, before we move to that, I want to talk on the where you can offer this service, which is 5kjob.ng. You can offer the service, voiceover service on Fiverr. You can offer it Upwork, freelancer.guru.com, topper.com, or voices.com, voice123.com, bodago.com, and other service sites like VoiceBurner and Mandy Voice. So apart from this, you can offer this voiceover service at acx.com. This is one of the biggest voiceover marketplace where you can offer your service. Then voicecrafter.com. So you can offer all your voiceover service on all these sites. You can see it as much as possible. So even all these sites on this second page, they are specified sites that even people know that all what they sell there is voice over. Then what are the success? Can you see this market is so large in such a way that 29,054 on one of the freelancing website that we search from. Then can you see this one case study to 5,654 review? That means this person has completed over 10,000 jobs. That is why it's having, and you see it just charged as minimum as $225. Then let's see now for 100 watts capacity. Some people will want to do 200, 500, that's 25 times, and we give them discount from it. Now let's type 25 multiplied by 10,000 and see how much money this guy has made doing voiceover service. This is another reference, and this one has over 5,000 service too. This one has offer over 5,000 service too at rate of $30, then 75 words. Can you see how huge the voiceover market is? Now, all these people, they offer their service the same way, and they use all these AI tools to execute the service, and they give the best delivery to their client. And guess what? They get paid immediately in all these freelance website. Then the another person here has offered 8,422. Jonathan has offered 8,422 review, which is approximately over 20,000, 20 to 30,000 jobs that he has done at ratio 1:3. So at rate of $45, you can multiply that 20, let's say 20,000 jobs multiplied by $45, 20,000 multiplied by $45, and you see how much money this guy has made doing voiceover services. Now let's move to the next service, which is web development service. You can see I was trying to mention all these services that you can render one by one. Now this service I'm going to talk on this is service number 6, which is web development service. No doubt about it. Business, company, every organization needs a web presence. That's why this service is evergreen. I've always said, I say it's one of the most evergreen services. It's one of the services that I know that if you start it today, in few weeks, you start making money online. And one of the advantage of this service is that it is diversified. You can decide to be doing custom websites. You can decide to building e-commerce website. You can decide to build a responsive website alone. You can do CMS using WordPress and so many other CMS to build. So you use platform-based web design. We call it platform-based web design, whereby you use content management system platform like WordPress. I will build a WordPress website. I will build a Joomla website. I will build a Shopify website. This is platform-based. I say it's a huge market, and you can decide to be doing app development. You can be doing only landing page, one-page website, and you make money. And there are so many AI tools you can use to offer all these services. Let's explore a few AI tools. GitHub Copilot. This is one of the greatest AI tools these days now for web developer. And web developers don't take these tools for granted. Then CodePen, then Webflow, Wix Studio. Wix has a web development platform based on web development, but they have Wix Studio, which is the AI-based area where you can use AI to develop your website within the Wix platform. Then we have Systemi. This is perfect to develop a landing page, sales page, and so many other. Then we have Webly, and we have Grid Studio. all these AI tools as powerful tools that you can use as a web developer. Let's talk on this website where you can offer this. As I already said it, website where you can offer from 5kjob.ng. You can offer the service at 5kjob.ng. You can offer the service at fiverr.com, guru.com, peoplepower.com, and so many other freelancing services. Most freelancing services accept web development service. And finally, to case study, this man, can you see, he doesn't design a full website. All what he did is, I will create modern landing page design. Just landing page at $150. This man is making one page website landing page at $150, and he has completed over 3,000 jobs. Can you see, when you multiply 3,000 multiply by $150, see how much money this guy has made on designing only landing page, not full website, landing page alone. Another reference, this one is a platform based. I would do WordPress website development and be your website builder. Over 1,000 review, which is, that means over 3,000 jobs at the rate of 400 multiplied by 3,000. That's millions of dollars this guy has made using WordPress to develop a website. Then the final person I'm going to mention here has done over 5,000 jobs, and is doing, I will design responsive website in 15 hours at $200 multiplied by 6,000 jobs, over 6,000 jobs that he has done. See how much money this guy has made.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next training. Want to go deeper? Get access to the full course, step-by-step modules, and downloadable resources. Just click the link below. And don't forget to join our community of entrepreneurs and creators, where you'll get support, mentorship, and real success stories. The links are right below. See you inside.